So hello everybody, it's Recharger here, and I'm back with another Merc. So this is like in the previous video I told you about, that I ordered the SLED version of the black Merc, and this one's brand new. As you can see, it's been closed down. So this is the 1949 Merc SLED, made for American Muscle and made by ERTL Collectibles. And this is of course a 118 model, as you can see here, 118. And let's get into this one and see what surprises this one. Oh, is this one better than the other one? Is there more detail or something? Besides, it's purple and it's hot rod, and it's lowered. Doesn't want to come out. Oh, okay. I'm gonna be having issues with opening this one. Come out. Okay. I'll be right back. So I got it out of the box. I didn't understand why I couldn't get it out, but it eventually came out. It would have kind of came out. So as you can see, this one has the closed back wheel, not on the original one. It's lowered. The pipes are coming outside here. Might have to make some holes there, because as you can see, it's supposed to be like with these it should be like a little bit closed, but I should make some, I don't know, maybe colors or something. I wonder if these are these supposed to move? I guess not. I don't want to break it. Okay. Because it looks weird. If those are supposed to be like light rear view mirrors, then why are they like that? Okay, I'll just find out that in a minute when I get this thing out of all of this. So, small lesson. If you're trying to open something or turn something that doesn't want to, it looks like it should, but it doesn't want to, go check it on the internet if somebody else has opened the same model or did the same thing and failed. So like I said, I tried to open these, and this is what happened. I broke it off by accident. So I'll have to glue that back on. As sad as it is, got just a fresh model and already broke it. Well, it's good that I didn't break a hood or a door off, because that would be much harder to get back on. Because this is nothing. This is easy to get off. I just don't know why. See, there's this focus. Okay. There's a little light in there. Like, well, it's not like it's gonna light, but there is. And why is it like that? Zero idea about that. So I might look up to the internet and see if those are coming out or something, because it looks a bit weird for me at least. So let's get back to the model thing. So the back doesn't still open even for this one. You can see there are minor bad issue details. So this one is like closed in. This one is like coming out. So I have to press that, fix this as well. The molding, see, it's not holding in. It's like blown up. It's just not. It should be like this, but it's like you can't see it that much on camera. You can see like there's a gap between the car and the molding side. What else? At the bottom of the car is mostly the same as the other one. The engine has a different color. As you can see, there are 4 exhaust pipes. So there are these which are coming here underneath. And see, like when I said, what are those connections for the? So I think they manufactured maybe this model before the other one, and they just redone the exhausts maybe, I don't know, because see, there's the hole which was on the Merc previously, and here's this version has like the like another part of exhausts coming out on the sides, which are connected there. So the steering is not very big, but it's still steering, because it's lowered. That's why. Has a different front. Looks much meaner, as a hot rod should. The grill is much more meaner. It looks like I'm gonna eat you, get out of my way, something like that. Now let's open the hood, and inside, yeah, there's, well, not big difference, but yeah, okay, it's a little bit changed. Okay, has given a little bit more color and looks a little bit more hot roddy stuff. The doors open as they did on the previous model. Some minor color details just added, nothing much. But all in all, I can't say anything bad. It looks really good, except for these things. That's my opinion. I don't understand why should be why they should be there, and why are they looking like that. But I'll fix it. That's not a problem. Okay, if you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.